Next, we have this footage from Yamanashi Prefecture. Today, a Japanese maglev train set a new world speed record of 603 kilometers per hour. Test runs are being conducted at a test track for the scheduled launch of a maglev train service in 2027. What does the world look like from a train travelling at 600 kilometers per hour? Today, a test run was conducted to achieve a speed of 600 kilometers per hour. About 200 people gathered at the test track to see whether the maglev train could set a world record. This woman says she is looking forward to it. This man says it will be so fast that the train cannot even be captured by a camera. The test track is 42.8 kilometers long. Shortly before 11 a.m., the train gradually increased its speed to reach 603 kilometers per hour at 10:48 a.m. A spokesperson at the control room says the speed reached a world record of 603 kilometers per hour. The test runs are aimed at collecting data. This is to confirm that the train would be able to deliver a certain performance while running at over 500 kilometers per hour, which is the projected operational speed. This person says it's wonderful, and this woman says it gave her goosebumps. In 1972, the testing of a train with magnetic levitation technology was successful. In 1997, a maglev train then set a world record of 550 kilometers per hour in an unmanned test. The TGV is a high-speed train developed in France and is maglev's rival. In 2007, the TGV achieved the 574 km per hour mark. The new world record achieved today is over 600 kilometers. But how fast is this really? Our reporter says the train is now moving at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. He says 600 kilometers per hour is 10 times faster than this and asks what the world would look like from this speed. At a speed of 600 kilometers per hour, one could travel from Tokyo's Roppongi to Shibuya about 3 kilometers in 18 seconds. Jetman is an adventurist who flies in the sky with jet-propelled wings. He can go as fast as 300 kilometers per hour. Japan's record for the so-called drag race is 350 kilometers per hour. Humans have been craving speed throughout history. In terms of human power, some of the fastest performances were achieved by badminton players. Our reporter says this is a professional badminton team. You can see their smashes are quite fast. They're testing how fast the smashes are by using this machine. Kenta Kazuno is on the Japanese national team for the men's doubles. Our reporter says that was 227 kilometers per hour, very fast indeed. But the maglev train can go 3 times faster. Kazuno has this to say about the speed. He says one can hardly experience that level of speed in badminton or in our daily lives. He says the human eye could not perhaps even see a 600 km per hour smash. As he put it, 600 km per hour is a speed people would not normally have a chance to experience. The Tokaido Shinkansen bullet train runs between Tokyo and Osaka in 2 hours and 22 minutes. At 600 kilometers per hour, the maglev train would take only 54 minutes to cover the same distance. The Central Japan Railway Company plans to continue with test runs to improve safety. Yasukazu Endo, head of the Yamanashi Test Center, says tests can only be conducted at the test track. He hopes the data will be used effectively to improve the design of the train.
600 kilometers per hour, 3 times faster than a smash in badminton. I couldn't catch it, so I can't imagine such a fast speed, but it must be so fast. The Linear Jewel Shinkansen trains travel between Tokyo and Nagoya within 14 minutes at the maximum commercial operation speed of 500 kilometers per hour. It is expected to open between Tokyo and Nagoya in 2027, 12 years from now.